Welcome to Canberra Beybladers. I'm Riku.
Justin.
Yep, and today we'll be unboxing Longinus N.Sp. Ooh. This is the first left spin Beyblade of the series.
Fucking exciting.
Oh, it's super exciting. Look at that.
Hopefully they give Dragoon a left spin launcher.
Yeah.
I'm pretty bloody disappointed.
Alright, so let's unbox it from the bottom. Kind of open the bottom bit and what are we gonna get?
Doesn't your thing have a slidey out thing? Lame.
Remember, my camera is for actual photography.
My camera is also for actual photography. You're welcome.
Close enough. Alright, so first we have our launcher. So we've got our launcher first up and ooh, look at that.
It's
blue.
What is boost?
Nah, something else. It's N. And so, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but here's Longinus, and what it is these dragons are metal.
They're metal.
They're metal. Take a feel of that.
Oh baby.
It's so heavy.
Let's feel it up on camera.
Ooh.
So metal. This is what I live for. For metal.
It's heavy. It feels very interesting. And there's a top. There's a top. Now let's go for the next one, which forgot what it was called. What's it called? You might be able to read that.
Reading.
Okay. 9. It's called 9.
This is definitely not the right side for figuring out names.
Now I gotta figure out where.
Wow.
There we go.
They've got English on the back.
So here we have 9. It's blue, which is quite something, if you look at that. And then we've got our driver, which is spiral. Let me cut it open. Shut up.
Not a problem.
This is becoming a lot more of a hassle than what I thought it was.
No one was like use nail clipper things.
Oh no, I just couldn't get out of the thing. And we have spiral, which is right here. Look at that spiral. Alright, there you have it. Hey, hands in the way.
It's alright, she'll be fine.
There we have Longinus 9 spiral. Ooh, so pretty.